You see how nice this is? Come make dinner with me. Fried chicken, yellow rice, and corn.
Island girl, fell in love with 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 an island.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RAE-MARIE, and tonight I'll be doing a cooking video. I decided, like, why not make a video? Because it's content, right? It's content, so why not make a video? So today we'll be making fried drumsticks with yellow rice. So come and cook with me. Cooking with Ray, cooking with Ray. Let's go, y'all. First and foremost, we are washing our hands because don't nobody want no dirt in their food. So that's what we're doing first, right? As you can see, we have our chicken, some drumsticks, so you're gonna take them out the packet. The organic chicken legs, so therefore they're chunky. When I tell you they're chunky, they're real chunky. So now I'm adding some vinegar and some water because we don't want our chicken to be raw. We want them to be nice and clean and smelling like chicken, not raw. Yeah. So wash and rinse, pat and dry. So after that is done, they're ready for the next step, which is to be pierced all the way through. I can assure you no chicken was harmed in the making of this video. They were already on ALIVE before I got them. So just putting that out there. So 5 drumsticks all pierced and ready for the next step, which is seasoning. So here I use garlic powder, Miss Dash seasoning blend, and some slap your mama seasoning. Here I just eyeball my seasoning. I don't use measurements. Fun fact, I never taste while cooking, so I just season until my heart says stop. Now I'm gonna rub all the seasoning into the chicken and let that marinate for 5 minutes. Here I'm gonna make the base coat, so I'm using 2 eggs and some buttermilk, and then I'm gonna whisk that all together until it's fully combined. So after I'm done whisking, I'm gonna make my flour coat. Child, I've been moving so fast I can't keep up with all them seasoning, but pause it to see all the seasoning I use. I know for sure I use Slap Your Mama, garlic powder, oregano, chicken seasoning, but pause it to get the gist. Here I'm combining the flour and the seasoning together, and now we're gonna start the fun part, which is the frying. So we're gonna add the oil, then add some garlic to get the oil to be flavorful. Now we're gonna coat our chicken in the buttermilk and egg mixture, and then cover it with the flour base coating. So rub, and just like that we have 5 drumsticks. And now we're gonna place them in the oil. Now we're gonna turn them on the other side to let them cook. Don't mind the red stuff. That's because I pierced the chicken too hard, so the bones were cracked and all. If you cook, you know. I cook and clean as I go so that I don't have a bunch of dishes to do when I'm done. So this is in the process too. So y'all gonna see every bit and piece of what I do. Now we're gonna make our rice. So that's 2 cups of rice, and we're gonna wash it. I wash my rice 3 times just to make sure that it's really clean. So after the 3rd wash, then I add my water to my pot. That is turmeric. I forgot to show y'all. Then I add oil. I add a piece of butter, some thyme leaves, some Miss Dash, some garlic salt, and then I add my rice to the boiling water. Then I stir it all in. And and then we wait for it to start boiling. I add some carrots because I think the rice was just too bland, so I add some carrots to it. You don't have to if you don't like carrots. And voila, shelly, steamy, nice rice. Now on to the next step. Here I found this one corn in my refrigerator, so I decided to just slap it on there to make the plate better. So I wash it, break it in half, and then into the pot that goes. While we're waiting on the corn, I didn't have nothing else to do, so I decided to take a little dance break. Here I'm being nice, offering you some of my drink, but y'all chose to put y'all mouth all over my straw, so we not having that. But if you know me, you know me. I love to dance even though I can't dance, but that's besides the point. So back to the meal. Now we're doing some gravy, so I cut up some bell peppers, some onions, and some carrots. I added some honey barbecue to the measuring cup, some hot sauce, and a little bit of water. Mix that together, and what we got? A combination, right? So now we're adding oil to the pot or onions. We're gonna let them get a little translucent, and then we add our combination mix. I'm not good at making gravy, but this turned out really well. I add a whole bunch of seasoning, pause and stop to see what I use, because girl, it's a lot. Then I add my bell peppers because I didn't want them to be cooked all the way through. I still like a little crunch to my peppers. So yes, you let that cook down for about 10 minutes, and voila, gravy is made. Now for my final cleaning up of the night. Trust me, I hate this part, but I love it at the end of the day because I hate a dirty kitchen. I was starving at this point, so here you go, plated by Ray. Thank you guys. Hey my lovelies. So I get it together.
Shorty bad, yeah, she fine like some wine. And I love the way she make her body wine. Rude girl like she acting out of line. Shorty bad, yeah, she fine like some wine. And I love the way she make her body wine. Rude girl, like she acting out of line.